Let's get Grinchy for the holiday season. These are the chords that you need for a baritone ukulele fingering. But these are the chords you're going to need if you're going to play it on a regular G, C, E, A ukulele. No matter which ukulele you're going to play, I'm going to be doing a 2-beat strum, but I'm going to swing it so it sounds like this. Do, do, be, do, be, do, be, do, be. I have a link to the chord chart in the description below and in the comments. Let's play this together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. Your termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I'll take the seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful sots. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul's an appalling dump heap, overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up and tangled up in knots. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nos, you super nos. You're a crooked, dirty jockey, and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce. I hope you enjoyed playing this with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get the chord chart, it's linked down below. I also have a link to my Christmas playlist and this t-shirt that I'm wearing. Thanks so much for watching to the very end.